A budget drone with 8K video, brushless motors, and smart obstacle avoidance? Today, we're testing the S119 drone. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're reviewing the professional S119 drone, a foldable FPV quadcopter packed with features like 8K dual cameras, brushless motors, optical flow hovering, and smart obstacle avoidance. But does it actually fly well in real life? Let's find out. First impressions, the S119 looks surprisingly premium. Foldable compact design, lightweight portable body, aerodynamic frame, brushless motor setup. Folded, it's small enough for easy travel, but once unfolded, it feels much more like a serious aerial photography drone. The obstacle avoidance module at the front also gives it a futuristic look. Now let's talk about the camera system. The S119 comes with 8K HD front camera, dual camera switching, 90-degree adjustable lens, optical flow bottom camera, and EIS electronic image stabilization. The electronic anti-shake system helps make footage look smoother while flying. And for a budget drone, the aerial shots actually look pretty decent in good lighting conditions. You also get real-time FPV video transmission, app control support, and gesture photography. This is where the S119 becomes really interesting. It features optical flow positioning, altitude hold hovering, smart obstacle avoidance, 1503 brushless motors, headless mode, and one-key return. The brushless motors make the flight feel smoother and more stable compared to cheaper brush drones, and obstacle avoidance helps reduce accidental crashes during casual flying. The app features are surprisingly advanced for this price. Draw custom flight paths, mobile phone control, gesture photo capture, 50x zoom support, speed adjustment modes. You can literally draw a route on your phone and the drone follows it automatically. That's pretty fun for beginner drone users. Battery and range. Flight time is around 20 minutes for a product flight. Wi-Fi image transmission range is about 50 meters. Remote control distance performs better in open outdoor areas. Charging takes around 2 hours through USB. For casual outdoor flying and social media footage, the battery performance is acceptable. In real-world use, the S119 feels designed mainly for beginner aerial photography, social media creators, casual drone flying, travel shots, first-time FPV users. The controls are beginner-friendly, and the brushless motors definitely improve the flying experience. So, is the S119 drone worth buying? Foldable portable design, brushless motor performance, obstacle avoidance support, 8K dual camera system, stable optical flow hovering. But actual video quality may vary from advertised marketing. Best performance comes in good lighting. Not built for strong wind conditions. Still, for a budget-friendly beginner drone packed with smart features, the S119 offers a lot of value and fun. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.